I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll build a simple practice workflow in n8n that shows exactly how to turn raw JSON text into clean, structured data you can use anywhere. By the end, you'll understand how to trigger the workflow on demand, simulate incoming data, parse that data into fields, keep only what you need, and pass it along to another service. We'll begin by adding the manual trigger node. This node lets you run the workflow with a single click, which is perfect for learning and testing because you don't have to wait for an external event. Give the node a clear name so you remember its role later, then use it whenever you want to execute the workflow and watch the data move from node to node. Think of this as your safe testing ground while you learn how the parsing works. Next, add a set node to simulate JSON data. This is where you create a sample item that looks like what you might receive from a real API or webhook. Add a field to hold your JSON as plain text, something like a simple object with a few keys and values. Make sure the text is valid JSON with matching braces and proper quotes. This step is just about preparing a realistic input, so the rest of the workflow has something meaningful to process. Now add the JSON parse node. Point it to the exact field in your item that contains the JSON text from the previous node. When this node runs, it converts the string into structured data that n8n can understand. After parsing, each property in the JSON becomes an accessible field, which means you can reference it directly in later nodes. If the JSON isn't valid, the node will fail, so it's worth double-checking the formatting in your set node. After that, add another set node to extract only the values you care about. Use it to select specific fields from the parsed output and optionally rename them to match your preferred schema. This keeps your data tidy and focused, which makes downstream automations faster and less error-prone. You're essentially shaping the payload into a clean, minimal package. Finally, send the processed data to another service. You can route it to an email node, store it in a database, or push it to an external application. Parsing is the key that unlocks this flexibility. Run the workflow from the manual trigger, preview the results at each node, and confirm the final output lands where you expect. That's the complete flow from raw text to actionable, well-structured data.